Well, hello and welcome to a special episode of Kuma's Kitchen, because this is actually from a request. As you see, it's starting off a little different than usual. Well, this is a request that was made by Timothy Reed. Timothy Reed, you may have noticed his name already at the end of the videos now. He's the guy who's making sure I sound better on the videos. Yeah, that's my audio guy. He's very helpful. He lives here in Tenoji, just down the road from me. He's not feeling well right now. This is why he made this request. As soon as he's feeling better, I'm going to bring him on and introduce him to you. You got to get to know this guy. Anyways, he's not feeling well. He's winter cold. And he said, have you got something to get rid of this winter cold? I'm like, yeah, I've got something I've been using for years. I mean, back when I was in Canada, working on the railway up north and all, and, you know, colds would go around. And, yeah, I call it the Riley Winter Cold Buster, and this thing knocks colds right out. Very simple. All you've got is 3 ingredients: honey, powdered ginger, whiskey. So that's just the powdered ginger you get like that in the bottle. The whiskey, of course, is my favorite Jameson Irish whiskey. You could use any other whiskey. And then for the honey, well, I got a local one I get here. It's called 100 flower honey. Very good. You got it from all the different flowers around the area. It's always good to stick with honeys that are from your own area, not for this, but also for the fact Reiko uses that because it helps with local allergies. It kind of builds up your immunity system to the local allergies if you're eating honey from the local flowers. Now, let's get down to what we've got here. 3 tablespoons of that honey, a half a tablespoon or 1.5 teaspoons of that ginger, and a 1/4 cup of that whiskey. And what you do is first, so you take a mug, just a regular size mug, and you get the honey into there. Let's see if we can get all of that honey in there. It's very nice honey, this stuff. All right, so we got the honey in there. The ginger. Now, what you want to do here is you just want to mix the ginger in until it becomes a paste. You don't want it just loose in there, because it'll float on top of the whiskey if you do that. So just quickly stir it into the honey. That's it, see? It doesn't take much. And then pour in the whiskey. So now we got the whiskey in there. Kind of give that a little bit of mix around. This is not critical because hot water is going to take care of that anyways. All right, so that just came to boil a little bit ago. It doesn't need to be boiling hot. You just want it good and hot, all right? So we get that mixed up. Take this, pour that in there. And there we go. Now, here, this is also very important. You're going to sip this and enjoy it, but you're ready for bed, all right? So don't do this until you're ready. Don't be dressed like this. Be in your pajamas, whatever, and ready to go to sleep. And then, you sip some of that. Now, the ginger is a little, but the honey mellows it out. And the way I figured it years ago was the honey kind of soothes everything. So if you get a sore throat or something like that, or cough, the ginger tends to clear out the sinuses, and the whiskey, once it helps you get a good night's sleep. This is the most important part of it. It's not as much just the drink. It's the good night's sleep. And that's really important. That's why I say you want to get this right before bed. That ginger also tends to heat you up. And that's another important factor. So get into bed. Get the covers on, be a little hot. That's good. That's what kills the cold. It's the heat. Yeah, that's why your body develops fevers and stuff like that, because it's fighting things. So make sure, drink that nice and hot. Get off to bed. You'll be feeling better in the morning. It's never failed to work for me. This is absolutely magic drink. Riley's Winter Cold Buster. Enjoy. And as we say in Japanese, odaiji ni, which means Basically, the direct translation is very to importance or something like that. I mean, really, it's hard to translate, but what it really means is it's very important that you get better, basically. All right, get well soon.